July 4th, 1957. A covert meeting at Detroit's Book Cadillac Hotel. Ford and Chrysler executives draft a desperate letter. Chevy's 283 must be stopped, at any cost. This wasn't racing, it was industrial warfare. The 283 didn't just break records, it broke rivals, and they broke it back. Tonight, the real story they tried to silence. What made the little mouse so dangerous? The truth? Corporate espionage, a legendary engineer's gamble, and the greatest what-if in racing history, the birth of the little mouse. The 1950s marked the dawn of the horsepower war. Ford, Chrysler, Chevrolet, each desperate to dominate a nation hooked on speed. But raw